Hello and welcome to another episode of Tip Tuesday. I almost forgot what it was called. Okay, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm going to teach you a really quick rule for when your emotions start getting high and you start showing up how you don't want to. This rule is called the timeout rule. It's really simple. So you can call a timeout whenever you feel your emotions rising and you know that point where you just feel a little out of control. It's a perfect time to call a timeout. You can do this when you're talking to someone else, or you can do it when you're getting upset with yourself over something. You call the timeout, you suspend the conversation, you stop it, and you're not calling a timeout on the person, you're calling it out on the conversation. So it doesn't mean you don't have to leave, but you can. And then you pause and you ask yourself the question, what do I want most? This is a question that a lot of us have a hard time answering. In the women that I talk to, it's one of those things that we just don't know. We don't know what we want anymore. Anyway, this is a great time to practice that. So you call a timeout, you suspend the conversation, you stop the conversation, pause, and ask yourself the question, what do I want most? Like out of the situation, out of the communication you're trying to have with this person. It's usually a person that you really love. So what do I want most? And then you call the time in. Don't let it go longer than 24 hours while you think about that question and then come back. So that's my tip for you today. Learn to use the timeout rule. All right, have a great day. If you'd like to learn more about this, I talk about it more in depth and why it works, how it works, and just some more in depth about how our brain works with that. Come to the episode 129. It's called High Brain, Low Brain in the Overburden No More podcast, and I'd love to see you there. All right, have a great day.